Like I'm telling you, I went into this reality show and I am ready to meet
talking
a
about 50
psychology
now?
student.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm ready to meet a psychology student and write a thesis.
Did you talk to your friends like that?
The
Did you-
producers actually told me when you say, did you talk to? They said, Riddhi, you're talking too much to yourself.
Allowed?
Aloud.
Like the cameras are catching you talking to
yeah,
yourself?
they're like, you talk too much to yourself. Can you talk
You
to
know,
other people?
that's a sign of great intelligence.
That's
It's also,
great.
some people think it's madness, but it's great
Madness.
intelligence. Those people who talk to themselves are supposed to be highly motivated and are able to, I also talk to myself.
That's, yeah, of
Yeah.
course, I'm sure you,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
do.
I enjoy myself the most. And I'm sorry this sounds sexual and perverse, but that's also true.
And I was just feeling like, my God, these people are watching me.
But
So
this is a childhood habit. It's not something you couldn't have started talking because of 50.
No.
So
No,
you
no,
always
it's me.
you talk yourself.
It's me.
Like a motivational, you're your own life coach.
Yeah.
And you're chatting.
Yeah. So he's like, you're not talking to other
What would
people
you
because
say?
you're resolving things on your own.
What would you say?
Like I would just be like, okay, so this is what happened. Okay, this is how it went, and just make sense of, analyze a situation and move on. Like I don't need to talk to
Did
anybody
you
else.
fight with anyone?
I didn't fight with anyone.
Did anyone try to fight with you?
Yeah. People are fighting with me even right now.
Means?
Outside, so funny. People
Post
have
the
come
show?
out and they're continuing the reality show.
Oh, I thought
which
they
I'm
all put on-
finding very amusing.
Very amusing.
I'm like loving it. I'm loving
Isn't
this.
it like an avatar they put on mostly, especially the ones who overact?
So there was this girl in the house, and I swear
Names?
to God, I don't want anyone to
Dhunda
fight with
padega.
me. I don't want
Search.
anyone to fight with me.
Yeah.
So I don't want to name anyone. But she would wear makeup and she would be a fighter. And the moment she would remove makeup at night, she would be such a sweet girl. And I would tell her that this is the girl I like.
One sec.
Can you just remain like this?
I think I'm married to this girl. I know who this girl is. It's exactly the same story. Yeah. And my wife's a Gemini on top of that. So they just switched completely like nothing happened.
Oh,
You
hats
know,
off to
they
you.
just shot somebody twice and then 15 minutes later, they said, watch a movie.
What's your sun sign?
My beta or me?
Oh, what's your zodiac sign?
Smart Alec. I'm a Leo.
Oh, you're a
Yeah,
Leo?
But
Wow.
don't make faces. Don't make faces. We're the nicest.
Yeah, very nice. My
We're full of
parents are
ourselves.
Leos.
There you go.
Both my parents.
But, so you have loud people in the house. What's
Yeah,
the big deal? It's like,
exactly.
not the worst thing. No, there are much worse things. Yeah. So you have two loud people and you talk to yourself. Your house must have been fun.
And my
Imagine-
brothers also. Me
imagine-
and my brother both are Virgos. So we are like analytical people
Yeah.
going crazy in that house.
Zomato would go mad, ring the bell, and everybody's talking. She's talking to nobody. This is her. There's a loud voice, a dad screaming from somewhere. We can't see him.
I have actually seen the show and I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe they put this. And people are like, you were in a reality show. They have to put stuff. I said, no, but I was just talking to myself. Or I was just talking to, someone randomly. How can they put this up? This is personal.
So who do you make friends with?
crazy.
You said you have 2 or 3 friends.
Yeah, I made friends with this actor, Yuvika Chaudhary. She's married to Prince Narula, if you know him.
He won.
He didn't win.
No, that
he
Shiv guy
gave a
won.
great reality show twist.
Yeah.
In semi-finale, he got the ticket to finale and he was like,
I won't do it.
I'm not doing it. I'm giving it to my brother. So,
Wow.
and
That's
then the
nice.
brother won.
Yeah.
Like, boom.
And then shared the money?
So this show didn't have money for us.
Huh. So what do you do it for?
We did it like we
Oh,
got
per week thing.
Yeah, we got
No,
that.
But what the incentive to stay then after some time?
Exactly.
They should have a big prize, I would think.
So people thought that I'm not really participating, but I was like, no one's attacking me. No one's picking on me. Why should I fight?
Also, I
Let
think-
me just chill out. Enjoy the
and
food.
people, Aam Aadmi thinks, oh, you're too intelligent for the show. I can understand that. I think that's the wrong thinking completely. No one's too intelligent for the show. It's just that after some time, it is a little infantile.
I was actually, you have to hear this. I
Yeah.
was actually like, so there are these people who've done reality shows, okay? Why have we jumped to reality show? We should go back, right? We were talking about something else.
We'll
But we'll talk
finish
about
this
it.
and
Yeah,
then we'll come back.
finish
We have time. We
Okay.
have 15 minutes.
Okay. So there's this game happening and everyone has, they've decided what they want to do. They want to put some person in danger. Now there's acting happening. Everyone's like, this guy who never reacts, he's never loud. Suddenly he's like angry. Prince is like, I'm not doing this. So I'm going to everybody like...
That's damn odd when they behave like
I'm
that.
going to everybody feeling like, what happened? So I'm
Yeah.
like, are you okay? Are you okay? And they're still acting. So I'm like, oh, you're doing reality TV acting. Carry on.
But you're right. I had the same experience. Suddenly the guy's angry, but it's kuch gir gaya floor pe, 0 to 100 happened. It made no sense.
And I feel like if I'm standing there and I have no reaction, I have no reaction because I know what they're doing. I know that they're doing this for camera. But the audience is seeing me as look at her, she's so
Yeah.
cold.
Yeah.
So I have walked away from so many points, so many places.
I totally understand what you're saying.
Because I was like, oh, she's
it's
moved.
unreal. It's
She's
like-
gone to 80.
really.
Let's go from here.
Yeah.
Enjoy
How?
yourself.
The person is just like putting on a performance. Can't people tell?
People can't
Yeah.
tell.
It's sad, but you
Yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah.
But also, like you said, they seem to be really nice, and then suddenly they go berserk and they're nice again.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
guys, come on.
Yeah,
There's-
it's amazing. I got a lot to learn.
Yeah.
Like, it was a great learning.
But you know, I think it's still a good experience. You have that in your head,
Fantastic
and you survive a lot of people living in a space as an adult, which is not easy. It's one thing when you're a teenager and young
Yeah,
kid and all
yeah,
that.
yeah.
It's another thing when you're an adult.
Yeah.
God, I wanted to go back and hug my family, and I don't even like my family. I was just thinking, you know, I miss them so much. You know, they all.
But you stayed for long. How long
I
did
stayed.
you
I
stay?
stayed for I think 24 days.
Oh.
I was there. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Then
lesser
got
than
out.
me.
Yeah. That's enough.
Yeah.
It was enough. No, there were good moments also.
Right.
Like Pooja, you know,
Yeah.
Falak and all that. They're all nice men. The women were all nice. The men were okay. I had no problem with anyone really. But after some time, this whole acting thing was like Salman would be talking.
And then you can't even like call it out. You can't even be like, oh, I know what you're doing.
No, you can't because they are immersed in the competitive
yes.
spirit of what they're doing.
You know,
so they're
once-
not listening.
Yeah, they're not listening.
Yeah.
So once this girl was crying, okay, she was like going hysterical, crying, and I thought she's going to have a nervous breakdown. She's also done reality shows, and I just was like, I can't. We were eating lunch, and that's when this was happening. I said, this is crazy. This person can't be screaming, and look at all of us, like we're enjoying our chicken and salad and everything. I said, I can't. So I went and I hugged her, and I literally told her, I said, don't think I'm eating your footage. You continue crying.
You said it loud.
I said it to her. They've cut it. It's not there. Me saying this to her.
Sad. Yeah.
But I had to tell her because I didn't want her to fight with me.
Yeah.
I just went to give her a hug because I thought she's reaching out to all of us. She was going to everybody and crying to everyone about what had happened to her. And I was like, wo sab to theek hai, but you will lose your shit. So I'm literally like sitting there hugging her and I'm like, you take facing. You please say what you want to
How
say.
sweet.
But let me just give you a
Facing
hug
me
right
the
now.
cameras, you know where all the cameras are properly.
Yeah, but I don't I'm hugging her, so
Huh.
I don't want to cover her face.
that
no?
way. Okay.
It's only
Yeah, yeah.
camera has to capture the face if the face.
So
is
then after you
visible.
turn around and say take two, she does it again. Yeah.
And she continued like.
What's the girl's name?
No, come on.
Ah,
but
yes.
people know who I'm talking about.
No, but you're saying that bit
'Cause
where you're telling her that bit should have been captured.
Yeah.
See, then I really enjoy the show.
nothing they've kept. I was so funny, I think, but they kept nothing.
But this anger burst, I agree with you totally. Sometimes you're like, what?
Yeah, what?
Kyun? There's
Yeah.
no logic to it.
And
you
now
know?
people are asking me, what do you have to say? This one has said this about you. I'm like, the show's over. There was a plywood set. It's broken.
Yeah.
Don't get so attached. It's
Did they
done.
ask you the question of strategy? This is the word they use, the word strategy.
Strategy, yeah.
आपका strategy क्या है?
मेरा
I'm
strategy.
Like, is this Iran-Israel war going on? I mean, what strategy are we talking about? I
Yeah,
don't know.
yeah.
There's some people sitting in a house. and
Oh
That's it.
man.
Yeah.
I've had too much fun in the house with my friends about this. That what is our strategy? No strategy.
So before we have to get back to your career quickly. So who are the friends and who are the ones you know who are enemies still? Why are they enemies still?
No.
We have no
One
enemies.
of my friend became my enemy.
Why?
I don't know because I don't know. I mean, she saw something in an episode and she thought instead of calling my friend directly, let me go to the media. Let me talk to the media and discuss it with them. That would be.
She felt you criticized her.
Yeah, she felt I said something behind her back, but she's.
It's not behind her back if it's on public domain.
It's
Behind her back
exactly.
का मतलब
And I
कि
actually did speak to
she
her
doesn't
first. They've
know.
just not shown it.
Yeah.
I mean, whatever. It's not important because
What's her
it's
name?
all.
Why can you tell us? We can find out if we try
Come
hard.
on, yeah,
Sure.
forget it. It's not important.
We'll bring
But
peace.
a lot of people have said a lot of things, but and people are asking me, this one has said this about you. What do you have to say? And I'm like, it's all in the game. Forget it.
Really?
They were also acting out of a game. They are like this as people, you think. I mean, I need to make my boundaries. That's another thing. But they were all playing a game. Everyone did whatever they had to for survival. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, I think if you want to really get into these shows, you have to play this game and do this double acting, which a person who's in a real frame of mind can't understand and empathize with. Because
I
you know
mean,
what you're doing.
people can't empathize
Yeah.
with you, but I could totally, I was enjoying myself. I really had a
I
good
get what
time.
it's almost like you're watching a picture in picture, no?
Yes.
You're like from outside, you're watching inside because they're just behaving and you're like, what's going
Yeah,
on?
yes. I was actually like, oh my God, I've seen all of them on my TV screen because a lot of them have done reality shows. So I was feeling like, should not watch too many reality shows. You might end up in one.
Were the guys nicer than the girls? Or the girls nicer than the guys? Or no such thing?
No such thing.
Yeah.
I think the guys were equally nice to me. The girls were also very nice to me. Some of them were not because I was getting some attention
Also, as
from
the weeks
somewhere and
went by.
everything.
Yeah.
It was hot and cold, you know. Some days they were good. I think it was the pressure of the game. You know, if the game is bothering you, if you're feeling like I need to have people to back me or this and that, then everyone was just doing their own thing. Like Krishna Shroff was there. I was really fond of her. She was my bedmate. But she
Did you
was,
ask her the big question?
which is,
This is Aadhaar card say tiger.
there were lots of jokes constantly being cracked, and she was
Not
a good
happy.
sport. No,
Yeah.
she was a good sport. So yeah, I think everyone was good only. It was such a tough thing. 26 days, every day one person is getting eliminated. So you're like going through, you know, so many emotions. I can understand what
People cried?
people cried. Yeah. But I
Was
don't
it
know what
genuine
was
crying or not?
God knows.
After
The
some time.
genuine crying never happened on camera.
Yeah.
Everything genuine was happening somewhere else. You know, me and my friend Yuvika, we actually would talk so much stuff when the cameras were not on us. Like we are sitting in like
But aren't they recording non-stop though?
yeah, the mics are on.
So the audio
but
is there.
there's no camera, and then we are both telling each other, wait, this
How
is
do
a
you know
good
there's no
point."
camera?
Because there was a room.
Oh, they gave you a
No,
safety room.
they didn't give us a safety
Then?
room. We just chose a room, you know, like a changing room where there are no cameras.
Oh, okay.
So we would just sit there
Okay.
and chat if we wanted to. We knew we were.
Remember to keep a camera in the changing room.
No, excuse me.
But just, you know, I mean, try
Yeah.
not to change.
And
while
we
you're
used
changing
to
it.
wonder, do you think there are cameras here? Are
I
they
know.
like sick or something?
You never know, no?
So,
It might be in your contract, you didn't see it.
so we were such idiots at being gamers. We would talk about such amazing stuff that, you know, this person is acting like this, they are doing this, you know, this is what their psychology must be. And I'm like, wait, hold on, we need to talk this outside. So nothing.
No, but this is like therapy, na? So I used to do
Yeah,
this with
it's
Pooja.
like therapy.
Pooja and I would get up early. Everybody else was really young and would get up later. So we would chat in the morning. We'd discuss people's behavior and all. It was so much fun.
They never showed it.
No, there was a live feed, so that whoever was awake
Oh,
at 6
right,
in the
there was
morning
a
was
live
listening,
feed.
whatever. But we would chat because the same thing, exactly what you were saying, was
Yeah.
like, you know, something. Why is everybody angry?
Yeah.
The incident doesn't match the anger.
Exactly.
Why such over the top behavior?
Yeah.
And that's not his personality. He's not like that. We spend enough time with him. We can see what he's really like.
Like people were actually like, you know, like someone asked me, you know, someone did this for strategy. So, but what was wrong? I said, it's a game. What is he meant to do? What are we meant to do over there? Like, if we play a game, that's a problem. Don't play a game, that's a problem. Chill out, enjoy the show and move on.
You know, all our chess champions, they don't get this kind of questioning. Caucasian gang, nobody asks them all these
Yeah,
questions.
when you bang the...
Yeah, no, when they play serious game, nobody's asking them about their strategy where they can actually talk about it. Yeah, you're on a reality show. People are killing time.
Yeah,
You're just
yeah.
passing time
Yeah,
literally.
yeah.
And I think people have got this message because of the early big bosses that the louder they are, the more they'll be
Oh, you know,
attracted.
the first 3 days there were fights, okay?
Yeah.
They were like men, testosterone high,
Yeah,
everyone's
yeah,
fighting with
yeah.
each other. Eventually, they had to be told by the team to like zip it. This is not that show. We do not want you guys to fight. Can we please just have a civil show?
But if they were fighting, why did they have to zip it?
Because it was going
What kind of
crazy.
fighting
They
were
were
they doing?
they were fighting. They were
Oh,
throwing things
okay.
off. There are guests in the house. The
Did they-
poor
did they-
girls are also
did
like
they
getting
did
squished.
somebody punch somebody at least? Was there any physical?
Yeah.
So then they keep them in the show. They don't throw them out.
No. So they took a call. Like the second time they took a call, and then
Yeah.
once they gave people ultimatum that okay, if you do it the next time, you're out.
Did the girls hit each other?
No, the girls didn't hit each other, but they were quite. I think
Aggressive.
the girls were just like it was literally like society. Like they were just so aware that the men are putting us in danger all the time. They were doing that a lot. They would have 3 girls here, 3 girls there, and then when the game is over and you had a choice of who you want to put in danger to be eliminated, it would be the girls.
Wow.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
It was insane. And that's when suddenly the few
Girl
of us.
power. Were you in charge of the girl power?
I mean, everyone was because it's a reality show, remember?
Yeah.
So if one person says it, oh, it's a great idea. This is a great tangent. I want to be seen doing this. So someone else is like, girl power, girl power, girl power. And I'm like, yeah, do it. So it was, but what I figured is like, let's just look out for each other because they are going to constantly keep putting us in, you know, the bottom and chucking us out.
So who came second? Is there a second or is it just the first?
Yeah, I mean,
Shiv
as the
came first.
Shiv came first and
Runner-up?
Faizu. Faizu was close
I think
in
Faizu wants to
time.
come on our show.
Yeah, sweet guy.
Nice guy?
Sweet guy. Like really pure-hearted, sweet, simple. I thought he was like me, but just better.
This is what
better.
Riddhi thinks of herself. Sweet girl, simple,
Yes,
soft.
that's what I think of myself.
Humanity flowing from every
Yes,
pore.
yes. But he was just a far better performer.
Yeah.
His
Oh, he-
calisthenics was like
He was acting.
no performer as in like he was a very like a player, like a player in the
Played the
arena
game.
in the game.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
he was very good. He was physically like super fit. and amazing. So yeah, great guy.